Hey there! Today I'm going to talk about something super important that you might be overlooking, brushing your teeth correctly. You might think, hey, I've been brushing my teeth since I was a kid, I got this. But trust me, even the best of us can slip up on our technique. So let's break it down step by step. First things first, choose the right toothbrush. Soft bristled brushes are the way to go. They are gentle on your gums but tough on plaque. And don't forget about the size. Make sure it feels comfortable in your hand and mouth. Next, let's talk toothpaste. You want one with fluoride. Fluoride helps to strengthen your teeth and prevent decay. Got it? Great. Now, let's get into the actual brushing. You're going to want to angle your brush at 45 degrees to your gums. This helps reach the plaque hidden under the gum line. Apply gentle pressure. No need to scrub like you're cleaning a dirty pan. Gentle circular motions are key. Make sure you're covering all surfaces. Start with the outer surfaces, then move to the inner surfaces. Don't forget the chewing surfaces of your teeth. And finally, give some love to your tongue. It harbors bacteria that can cause bad breath. How long should you brush? 2 minutes. I know, it might seem like forever, but trust me, your teeth will thank you. Consider using a timer or an electric toothbrush with a built-in timer if it helps. Speaking of electric toothbrushes, they're fantastic if you're looking for an extra boost in your oral care routine. They do most of the work for you. Rinse your mouth and toothbrush thoroughly once you're done. Store your toothbrush in an upright position and let it air dry. Bacteria love moist environments, and you don't want them hanging around. Oh, and don't forget to replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months. If the bristles are frayed, it's time for a new one, even if it hasn't been that long. So, there you have it. Brushing your teeth correctly isn't rocket science, but it does require a little bit of attention and care. Your smile is one of your best assets, so give it the care it deserves. Remember, good oral hygiene is a key to overall health. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help out. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more dental tips. Thanks for watching and happy brushing!